First, start VPN. CloudBrick. After start, open Capcut. Click New Project. Import video. Delete end screen. Click on Timeline. And scroll right side. Adjust. Sharpness 100%. Click Effects. Video effect. Cartoon. Click Neon. And drag to end. And check properly. Video effect. Lens. Blur. Drag to end. And export. Replac. And sketch. And export. And back. Delete both effects. Add both export video. And click Sketch Video. Click on Basic. Scale 100. Click on Neon Video. Scale 100. Click on Neon and Splice. Use dodge effects. Click on Sketch. Click on Burn. And drag and check best quality. Me using 30-45. After click Neon. Check best quality for your video. I recommend 0.70 to 80. And export video. Open WinCap. And click on AI Repair. Click on Super Resolution for K. Enhance. And our video is complete.